What's going on, guys? Made it to a little cruise. Got some people back there. We're gonna go check out. I think everybody's running late. It's supposed to be at 7. It's supposed to roll out at 7:15, but it's already 7:21. Zach's coming on his way. Fiesta ST with the big wing, but he's also running late. Just had Ali and the doggo. Yeah, we'll go take a quick look around when more people show up. But yeah. Took you long enough.
How's it going? Hey, blame the employees at Apple.
Where's Zach, little baby, over here? Whose wing's bigger? Just kidding, same size, dumbasses. Focus ST. Our cars over there. Cool C8. I don't think he's with us though, sadly, but it's a cool orange one. Are you gonna be recording for Zach?
Yeah.
You better record for me too then. But just send it over.
Steady his hands while driving in a shit car.
FRS, cool MR2, nice little exhaust on there. Supra. Alright, so if you guys can't tell, we're on our way now. There's so much waiting right here. I hope the audio isn't too bad. I hope this mic actually works fairly well. But we got Zach in the back. Everybody kind of left in the front, and we got stuck behind this Volvo. So get on the trail. It's like a 1 or 2 lane road for quite a bit, and then I think we get a little bit of highway on the very end. So it might not be too much recording of the actual trail over here, but we'll definitely record if there's any leeway of highway or anything like that with people going by. So there's everybody lined up. I guess there's the Supra that I showed you guys. The Supra I showed you guys over there, the FRS, this Lexus right here. Corvette was with us, I didn't know that. And then Genesis, ST Focus, yeah? Is that Focus, right?
Yes.
Oh, Focus, okay. My car has the lights on. Your car has lights on too. And an MR2 behind us. Alright, we've been talking about seats, and I've never sat in a bucket seat actually. Actually, I sat in a Miata with a bucket seat. It had NRGs. And five whatever harness thingy. Oh my god, my ass cheeks.
Yep, you gotta like slide in.
Whoa. Okay. Oh, okay. That's not too bad though.
Yeah.
It's just maybe this is maybe like 2 inches lower than where I see actually, because I sit really low. Like I'm secured in here. Like, oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Oh god, how do you get out of here though?
You have to pull on the steering wheel.
Oh, my ass. Looks really nice. Might get something like that. Stay tuned. That's cool. Bread or bride? We're back on the road again. Still haven't hit Highway 49, but yeah, this is a good little pit stop. And yeah, we're on the road. It's really dark. Hopefully on the highway we get some light so we can get some footage of people rolling by and stuff like that. So we're now on Highway 41 or 49, sorry. And yeah, everybody's in the front right now. And yeah, that's it for this part, I guess. See you guys on the highway still? Question mark? Or are people stopping? I don't know. Some people are stopping. We'll see what's going on. I don't know. Zach's right in front of us, so that's good. It's really dark. Can't really see. Kind of sucks. coming. I got a day off for you too. Yeah, I got a day off. I usually work on Sundays. I was like,
Hopefully your band's running by then.
I think I got him in there too. I think he's registering. Yeah.
Tranny went out on the van, so.
Oh, really?
Hopefully be back up.
Okay, good. What's going on here? Hot Wheels? What's your cool Hot Wheels? RC stuff going on? I like it. We're just talking about underglow right now.
Fender flares too.
Oh, little fender flares? I didn't even see those. Would you paint match it or leave it black like that?
I'd leave it black.
I think I like it like that too, because it matches the flitter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, what's going on here? What's going on here? I don't know anything about Evo. I see a blow up valve. I only know stuff about Subarus. Dude literally got a doing that. This guy's probably not here for the meet, just showed up, but what a cool spec. I love this color. I don't know, man. I think I would go blue on something else though, like inside, cause I really like the red.
Yeah, you gotta get
It's pretty cool. Actually, I have to give it to him. It looks pretty cool. The one that you're talking about, the R32.
Yeah.
I think it is like a race car, and also a YouTuber has an R32 with an Advan livery like that on it. It's Jack automotive. I like this right here, VIP build. See, I feel like Lexus and this model in Infinity for VIP build.
No.
I like this model.
Lexus.
I like this though.
I bet you do.
God, bro, you gonna crash? Uh-oh. Come on, give me some more, bro. Give me some more. Let me hear it. No? Okay. This is ram into your face, bro. Look.
You know, Kim Block did a video on the ugliest wheels in existence, and I think 70 miles an hour wheels.
This red beard Z. Nice. Look at these. These over here look kind of nice. Kind of like VIP build, kind of. I like VIP builds. If I actually did a VIP build, I would be like, I would do something off of Lexus.
It's good, yeah.
I like Lexus. Yeah.
Those other two.
I feel like Lexus always does good stuff. Right now we're kind of in like the truck alley, so we're gonna walk over to the JDM alley. Look at this thing over here, dumped in the back. Damn, bro. Is that a thing? Is that like a truck thing?
Yeah, squatted.
That's what it's called? Squatted?
Squatted.
Interesting.
Oh, he's on bag.
Look how low you can go. That's pretty funny. Yo, the only thing to move was the rear. That means only back on the rear? This guy, people are already peer pressuring them. The rev, they're fucking whatever. Is that a GT even? It's a 4.6 liter GT, right? That's a V6 right there. That one.
Why does it say ST?
Yes, it is, bro. 400 horsepower. Hey, what kind of wing is this, dude? You think it's Battle Arrow, same company? No, 400 PSI, bro. PSI. In the fuel rails. Damn, bro. A lot of people. I'm actually surprised, like, there's a lot of people here for being like this. They're back up. Miatas, bro, Miatas. Come on, let's get a Miata. Let's get a Miata, guys. The car always gets a little crowd. Look at them over there, trying to check out what's going on with the car.